YouTube. Once again, big up all of my subscriber. The new subscriber, and please like and share the video. Share it to everybody, as I say. And if you're new to the channel, please to subscribe, hit the bell, and select all in the options so that as I put a video, you can get it. Alright, so alright, this I'm gonna do a little video today where this been bothering me from a long time ago. You understand? And main reason is because the people them not sharing the videos, you know, when I'm talking positive stuff. But this is gonna be an important message to all Jamaican people. All of us Jamaican. You see me I say, because the country is getting out of control and there's too much crime and violence, wickedness. You understand? The love is dying out. You get what I'm saying? So once you have problem, you have to come up with solution. You have to think about solution. Solution is what solve a problem. You understand what I say? So today, I do this video now. I want to share this video to the Prime Minister and the Wellness. Everybody, share it to everybody, because this video is for everybody that named Jamaican, from the baby to the teenager to the adult to the nurse, doctor, lawyer, police, soldier, criminals, everybody, Prime Minister, all the member of parliaments. You understand? Everybody, this video is for every Jamaican. You understand? So right now we have a very, very bad crime situation in Jamaica. Seeing? And a lot of people been coming up with solution, giving ideas and stuff like that to solve the crime, to get back Jamaica where you can sleep with the door open. That's what I say. But they not seem to be working. That's what I say. So what we are going to do right here now, we are going to put out something out there in our universe. I'm going to put out this video out there. Hopefully it reaches to the Prime Minister ears. He's the one who calling the shot right now. And this video will last forever, because even if Anjola step down, there will be another Prime Minister. Because this crime situation in Jamaica, it's very big and it's very bad, and it's gonna be difficult to get under control, because it's gone way too far right now. So it might take Anjoalness, and then when another Prime Minister come, another Prime Minister come. But we have to start somewhere. We have to start work to change what is causing all of this crime in Jamaica right now. Alright, so first thing what we have to do, we have to start from the little baby. We have to start protecting little babies them. When they start growing up, going to school, we have to start protect them, guide them, teach them the right thing. So, in other words, we have to separate the dirty from the clean. You get what I'm saying? So if you have a glass of dirty water, you cannot drink it. You'd have to extract the dirt from that water to get it clean, and then you can drink it. So this is what the solution now. This is how me come up with a solution now. So we gotta take dirty out of clean. You understand? And we get the dirty and we get rid of the dirt, and then we have clean. So we want a clean country. You understand what I'm saying? So, alright, so I'm gonna make this very simple. I see the Prime Minister come out recently. He said that first he was doing the state of emergency, and it doesn't work, because when you're gonna have a state of emergency here, the criminals will move to go another part in the country. Alright, so that can't work. And come again and he say 15 years if you catch you with a gun. That is good, but that cannot work. Again. You come again and you make another rule. 30 years for a murder and 15 years for gun. So if a man get a murder, do a murder with a gun, that go be 45 years, and depends on the crime, he can get more years. That is good. But that is not 100% good, because we're dealing with a set of criminals that's saying, I don't care. You know, business. You like Jamaican that say, you know, business. So if you put 100 years in murder, they go still be murder. It go still be a lot of murder. It go still be criminals. It go still be everything. You get what I'm saying? So, what we have to do now, we have to change the mindset of the people. That is a solution. So, once we go change the mindset of the people, we have to put a lot of things in place. So first, it's going to cost a lot of money. But the country making money. Because the government, everybody have to pay tax in our country. So therefore, Jamaica shouldn't be wondering where the money is going to come from. And if you call out for help, you can get help as well. You see what I say? So I don't think the money is going to be a big of an issue, but it's going to take a lot of money to do this, what I'm going to say right now. So, what Mr. Joelness did about the sentencing, the more time for the gun, that is good, you understand? But we need something more. We need something that is going to take over the whole island. From right to the baby to the biggest people. And we don't need no two laws. One for the rich and one for the poor. We cannot have that. That is corruption. So it come back to exactly what I was saying. You have to separate clean from dirty. You have to extract the dirt. You understand? So we can't have clean and mix up with dirt. So corruption is a big thing. That's the biggest thing that's destroying our country. You get what I say? Corruption. So we have to get rid of that. So when we make a law, you have to go all across the board. To every Mr. Jackman. Down to the Prime Minister, if him do something wrong, if he go spend time in prison. That is how it works. No man shouldn't be bigger than the law because he have money. You get what I'm saying? So here we go on now. First we have to start from the little baby them. Just start go to school. We have to start from there. from the basic school, primary, high school, university, college, community college, everywhere. So I'm going to break this down by step so that everybody can understand. I'm talking right now, I don't have a degree. Just a regular high school student. You see me I say? Just a regular high school student. I do skill. Skill is great. You understand? Skill is great. Alright. So listen what going to go on now. First, start from the little school students. We have to get buses to pick up the student from their home and take them to the school, and from the school back to their home. From the little baby who have car can come pick up them picnic, that is good also. But we have to separate the clean from the dirty. The kids, they are clean. How they get dirty is when they have to travel to and from school, walk, go in a public transportation, people smoking, people cursing bad word, people talking sex, everything in front of the kids. You understand what I'm saying? People talking criminality, people playing criminal music in front of the kids. You get what I'm saying? So we have to take away the kids from those environment, the public environment, while they're going to and from school. They go to school and learn something today. When they reach on the street, have to wait for a taxi and bus to go home. You see the street, you have everybody smoking, cursing, singing nasty music, stuff like that. That's the first thing we have to start. We have to look out for the kids then. We have to take away the kids from those stuff. Alright, the next step again, we have to start going to these homes. We have to get a group of workers everywhere in the country, going to these homes and make sure the parents are doing fine. The parents are teaching discipline, orderly stuff to the kids from in the home. You get what I'm saying? Alright, the next thing what we have to do now. The next thing what we have to do, because we're still on the topic of extracting the dirty from the clean. We're still on that. Alright. We're dealing with some criminal where they don't care. They're like suiciders. You get what I'm saying? Those are the criminals elements what we're dealing with in the country. So we can't go too softy. You get what I'm saying? And we can't go too 100% rough, because we can't get up and take away people's life like that. Because some people can get a chance and they're going to change. Because it's bad influence and the hype that is misleading a lot of people. You get what I say? So the next thing what we have to do now, remember I said this is going to cost a lot of money. Alright. The next thing what we're going to do now, we're going to build some facilities, some building all over the country. Every parish, probably 10 buildings or more to facilitate the people, everybody. So we're going to start from the eyeglass first. Let me put it that way, the eyeglass first. Anybody where you see now work, they're on a corner every day not doing anything, we get those guys, woman and man, and we put them in those facilities. Those facility is discipline facility to get people disciplined. Because remember, we are changing the mindset of the people them. We are going to get them discipline. We are going to get them a trade. So those facilities have to have all the trades that can offer. We have to have all of those trades. When them pass through that, we put them back in a society, they'll be working. We have to, next thing, you have to provide job. You get them papers, they can fly out and work anywhere in the world, because when they come through that, everybody disciplined now. Because remember, we are changing mindset of people them. Seeing? Jamaica have the arts program where people go and learn trade and then get papers and can travel. That is there already, but we need more. You get what I'm saying? We need more. In a one parish, we need a lot. You see me? So we have to build that. You see the bad people them now what decide say them not change, no change for them. Those are the ones that you're gonna send to prison for hard labor. So you're not gonna just go to prison, name government money, the people them tax money, and just do a sentence and come out. They're gonna go for hard labor. So the prison supposed to have work, we're building stuff we can sell, and the country benefit the money. Because everything is money. You get what I say? So we have to do that. Alright. So we build a facility, then we get them a discipline facility. Everybody, even if you have to take the parents from the home, put the kids somewhere temporary, get the parents disciplined, then you put them back home with their kids. Even if we have to do that, you understand? Even if you have to do that, because you have to make sure everybody pass through the system there to change the mindset of the people them. You now go too hard and do no brute force and beat up nobody or hurt nobody, and that me I talk about. We want to change the mindset of the people them. You see me I say? Once the mindset change, if Jamaica nice, clean, and whooping a door or anything, because everybody now go to look out for each other, everybody go love each other, everybody go have a mindset now for work. You understand? The little kids them are listen to these music, and those music lodge up in their subconscious mind, then turn big. Them want to go turn chopper and scammer and killer, hitman, all kind of crazy stuff. So the music is another big bad influencer in Jamaica. Again, a lot of people they say, yo, music are no influencer. Music are influencer. You see me I say? Music supposed to be inspiring. You get what I say? Me's a dancehall artist, me do dancehall music, me no do killing music. I have to do happy music, fun music, music where can teach somebody about love and life and how to survive. Those are the stuff you put into music. So we have to get rid of all of the chopping music, killing music, criminal music. We have to get rid of those music. The selector them when they play them, lock up them if they're not here if you not play them. The man who go in at the studio go do it, lock them up for them the music that them come out with. So that means to say if you say you're an artist and you can't build a good song, you have to go find another job. You get what I say? Because the music been destroying our youth for decades now. I'm in a business where nobody want to say me an artist, and me know, because me always tell the younger youth them, don't build no crime music. Don't build no killing music. Me tell me, because the music start and you have killing thing because you have sounds clash. You see me I say? So we back in our days used to sing certain song, and you know it's a sounds clash song that. You understand? You know mean to say we go take it and do it. But the younger youth them now, them a sing a song and them a do the thing. And the liquor kids them come up adapt the same thing from the song, and they want to do it, and they're doing it. You see me, I say, so we have to get rid of the dirty music out of the country. We have to get rid of the dirty music. You see me, I say. And then now, the next thing what we have to do now, Prime Minister, Member of Parliament, you have to cut down on the pay, because this need money. The church, there's a lot of church in Jamaica not paying any tax. You have to implement that the church pay tax. Every church. Because there's a lot of people going to church paying 1/10 of their earning to tithes and plus offering. So there's a lot of money. Members of church when create for control the slave, you know. Members say a such church create. Church is good. I never say church not good. But what I'm saying, them for pay tax. Everybody for pay tax. Start growing to these parts and implement it in our system. Go to these parts and they have to pay for what they collect. 33% or 30% or whatsoever. And the country will get more money. You see me? And then now, the next thing what we have to do again now, you see, school. Just like how you have basic school, you have primary, you have all age, you have high school. You understand? Because some of the kids, when they don't pass primary to high school, they go to all age. All age top of 15 years. And then they can pass and then they can finish up. In high school, you have college, you have community college, you have university. See? So listen where everything gone wrong now. There's a big gap leave where from high school there's a big percent, probably 75% or 50, 60% of the student graduate from high school not going to college. So that's another big gap right there. We're hoping to create violence and bad people in the country, because a lot of youth leave the country and then decide to the high school and then decide to I eat as for me now because I not get nothing, I not see no future whatsoever, because I'm not so educated, and then don't want to learn a skill. And then decide to then go buy a phone and go scam people. Or then go take up a gun and thief and rob and whatsoever. So you have to implement a thing now. When you're done high school, straight into a trade school. People who go to college, pass to go to college, straight into college. Straight into community college. People who don't pass, they go straight into a trade school. And you have all the trades them. You have mason, carpentry, steel, you have plumbing, electrical, you have food, you have sewing skill, tailor, dressmaker, you have create some industrial thing. People will make pot and pan, all kind of thing, car parts. That's why I say you need money. We gotta build up, you have to build up factory. And put all of these people to work and make everybody get a working mindset. And once we can do that, we can change the country. So when people graduate from high school, they don't have nothing more to do. Some of them wanna pass, they go to college, then go straight into a school, trade school, like implement that. So if you don't want to go, you check your parents, why you don't want to go. If it's say a badness, straight badness, you hold on upon him and you put him somewhere. You put him in one of those discipline facility, get him straight, get him into a trade, and get when he fit, you put him out in a society. And then now everybody go have this mindset now of being clean-minded, want to work, want to take care of themselves, want to live a happy, clean life. So that's how you change the mindset of the people them. You understand? So when you have them through a discipline facility, you let them know that everybody have to look out for everybody. The talk what they say informer for dead and them argument they get them thing they have to come out of the people them. Because everybody have to look out for everybody. So if I see John Brown do something wrong, I can call the police. I mean I have to fret about I'm gonna lose in my life. You get what I say? That's how it work. A lot of these young youths want something in life, but they don't see any way out. And then get confused. The devil provide work for idlers. You understand what I'm saying? The devil provide work for idlers. So an idea. That's a good thing. That's a good thing what we have to do right now. So we are extract the dirt from, separate dirt from clean. So we are extract all the dirt out of the society. And we are get the society clean again. You understand? So we have to do it with love as well. So Andrew Wellness, when you listen to this, I'm going to comb through everything what I say. And you have to make up your mind because I see you put out, you say you want the mindset of the people them to change. But passing law, putting higher punishment, that is good. But we also need to get the other rest of people them and change them before they go into any crime, and the kids them. So that means the more people you change, and the lesser crime gonna be, and the more help the law enforcement is gonna get to attack the little bit of crime or left. You understand? Because America have crime, but it control. And they have punishment higher than Jamaica punishment. But people still do it. So that's why I say the people them what I deal with are some people I say I don't care. So if you say 200 here for a murder, they go still have murder. They still gonna say, you know what? I don't care, I no business what if I want to go to prison. I no business about that. So that's what I say now. So we have to get the mindset, change the mindset of the people them. We have to do that with love, and you have to spend some money because you have to provide facilities to house all of these people for a period of time and get them on a drill, and a drill, discipline drill, working drill, put them in a working mindset. You get what I'm saying? And then we will come, we will change. You get what I say? Other day I see taxi guys say they might strike because they want amnesty for ticket. So they go on the street, they do the wrong driving, they get penalty for it, they get a ticket. But at the end of the day, they don't want to pay the ticket. So that is a tell us, yo, it's a criminal mindset right there. So if we get the mindset of them change now, nobody now if you come and protest say, yo, we want amnesty for ticket. Remember, you know, you go out there go driving, remember say have a road code and you don't follow the road code. So if you get the mindset, if all of the people them mindset train from baby to big to whole people, everybody mindset change, then we don't have no problem. We have a little bit of problem. Because you go have mentally ill people, you have to look out for those things too. You have to have place for the mentally ill people them too. Because you have some people, you know, they're mentally ill, but then bathe and put on clean clothes. But they need help. They need medical help and they need therapy. A lot of people need therapy to help them cope in a society. You get what I'm saying? So over the years, decades upon decades, Jamaica been lacking all of these stuff. And that's why crime get out of control. You see what I say? That's why me never go to no university, but for me a little kid, me I listen big people conversation when them talk politics and everything. And me go to school and whatsoever me learn at school with knowledge of the Father give me. That's how me can come with a solid solution. And if you follow this solid solution, Jamaica will change. You have to spend money in a country. Stop sell out the country. Jamaica surrounded by water. Don't sell out these people to come. Come here say Chinese and buy out the harbor already at Kingston. We need to build factory and we need to build more harbor and we need to ship out things and sell to the wider world. Because I come America, I live America. I do construction. One time I work at the ship channel. They were building offshore building. Like a building made out of metal. Like a container material. Them see like a container material them make like that. We insulate the bottom of the container with insulation. We insulate the side and the roof everywhere. And then we put a finishing panel. And then paint it, they put flooring and then put AC unit, electrical, plumbing, restroom, everything in it when it's done. It's a complete building, office building or whatsoever. And then ship out it. Remember me tell her 40 by 40. One of those buildings cost 17 million US when it finished. And they set up right at the ocean, then build a harbor, they have a little ferry, them 2 truck load it and go to it, harbor, lift up crane, put it on it, the ferry boom, go out in the sea, put it on the big ship, gone. One of them 17 million, and if they have a 2-floor one as well, where the money double to 14 million. I mean to 32 million, 34 million. You get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, Jamaica is a place we're surrounded by water. We're supposed to can do a lot of stuff. Build our car if you build a Jamaica, if you build car down there. Jamaica have their own standard and ship them out of the country. A lot of things we can do down there and we have the people them. Jamaica is not a big place. Jamaica people are very skilled. We have to get equipment, get machine, and we have to build factory and we have to build things. Try to live up with the world. Everything we world I build, we have to build them too. Then now, once you create all of those stuff, your people cannot say, boy, I'm not working, you know, so I'm going to rob somebody. They can't say that. So then when you rob now, then you lick up sentence under them because they put everything in place to help your guys and teach your trade and you figure work. No, why you going to rob a next man? You get what I say? So we have to do that. You see me I say, Jamaican people are people who like to adapt, like to learn. Other day Peanut Judge come out and say, Radam! Everybody I use it. Up to Andrew Wellness use it. Me hear Andrew Wellness use the word Radam. So we like to follow trend. So we have to make some good trend. And then once we make a good trend and we say, yo, this way I do, everybody have fit in at this way I do, then we go have our changes. So I think me cover my point what I want to make. And the point is we have to take dirty out of clean. You see me I say? So, look into what I say, Prime Minister. The security minister, the regular people, teachers, students, regular people on the street up to a criminal. Criminal guys who can't put down a weapon now. Who not killing their own people. You can't put down that now and make a change. And make Jamaica nice again. Jamaica back in the days when we know nice. We help our neighbor help we. We eat and drink and talk and laugh. We used to sleep with the door open. Back in the days that dopey people used to afraid of. People never used to afraid of nobody. So, we need to take a U-turn, brother. Brothers and sisters, we need children, teenagers. We need to take a U-turn and go in the right direction. So, Andrew, unless I put this on your desk, come through what I say, and let we start see some changes in our country. Like, comment, and share. And subscribe. Remember, leave your comment. Feel free to leave your comment in the comment section. I'm out. One love.